I just got back from working out. Today is a meal prep day for me. So I've already prepped some vegetables for grilling. So in here I have zucchini, I have jalapenos, some tomatillos. I'm gonna make a salsa. I'm gonna grill my red onions, grill some peppers. I'm gonna grill some corn. I have some ground beef patties that I've made and I will do another video on that. I have some chicken here that I'm gonna season. We're gonna grill that also. I also have some New York strip 7-ounce steaks. I'm also gonna season that and we're gonna grill everything. Okay, for the chicken, I like to use 3 different seasonings. First seasoning is gonna be some garlic powder. We're gonna go with the Sazon everything seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning. And a rotisserie chicken seasoning. So for the New York strips, just want to make sure that we pat it dry both sides. I like to use this Sizzling Steak Spectacular seasoning from the Gourmet Collection. And I just sprinkle it on there. Just rub it in. Flip it over. Do both sides. Then, we just throw this in a Ziploc bag and off to the grill. I like to grill zucchini like this or cut it thick so it's easier to grill. Just came back from grilling. Now we're gonna plate our post-workout meal. So I have a 7-ounce New York strip right here. I will slice this in a second. But first, let's weigh our food. So you always take your plates. You can see right here. It's gonna hit that tear button to make it 0. So then, I like to take maybe like a piece of this onion. So we're at 1.3 already. I'm gonna take about a couple pieces of zucchini. Okay, 3.6 looking good. We're gonna go to maybe 4 to 5 ounces of veggies. See, that's actually good, 5.2. So then we reset. Okay, so now we have our air fried potatoes. I will make a separate video on that. I want to go with 3 ounces. Nice and crispy. Okay, so we're at 0.8, 0.7. This part's always fun. All right, and then just have to slice the steak, but let's weigh it anyway. Let's see if it's a true 7-ounce New York strip. Okay, so it started off at 7 and we lost a little bit due to grilling. But here is our complete dish post-workout.